Welcome to
Big
Big Girls
Girls
Podcast.
Podcast.
Ayan, so this is an all new season of Big Girls Podcast. Bakit nga
Welcome!
ba? Bakit may all new
Because
season?
you've been so busy, sis, right?
Okay, so kasalanan ko talaga.
Yes. No. But we are bringing them a video na. It's a
Yeah.
vodcast.
Yes, this time it's a vodcast. So please do follow us on our socials. It's in our social media. Mamaya, follow
Basta
nyo na lang.
everything is at Big Girls Podcast.
Yes. Our theme stays the same. There will be like set of words and from there mag-originate yung 10 questions. Usually tig 5 questions kami, but this time there is a generic question that both of us should answer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. First question. Who are the big girls behind the mic? Tell us who Abby and Sig are.
So, ako magsasabi ng about you. Okay.
Okay.
So, Abby is Singapore-based. Girly with big boobs and big future. My ate, and she's living independently, but with the help of Charon!
Help.
So, siya yung ate ko, but ang isip niya ay isip bata.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi niya gusto yung niya.
Pangit ng intro niya. Ginandahan ko pa naman yung intro niya sa utak ko, pero sabihin ko na lang yung totoo.
Grabe siya! So, wala naman. Wala naman special kay Brightly. Yun lang siya eh.
Okay, please plug my social media, sis, kasi kailangan niya sa umpisa.
Everything at brightly.abby.
Yes. So, you can find me on Instagram, TikTok, nag-promote. Okay. So, this is Sig. Okay, usually bakit nga ba naging big girls? Kasi aside from, obviously, we're big. But aside from that, is that we call each other big because
Yeah.
like mine, I'm a big. And then she is Sigrid, so I call her most of the time Big Read.
Mm-mm.
Yun yung tuksuhan namin. So that's where the big girls came from. So,
And we're proudly big with a big
yes,
heart
true.
and big personalities. Sis. Mm.
Okay. So si Sig, she's based in the Philippines. She's a very creative person. She's my younger sister, very reliable, family oriented, and super mapang-asar and madaldal.
Uy, di naman masyado,
Kala niya lang hindi
girl.
siya madaldal, pero yung totoo madaldal siya. Pero pag humirit siya,
Girly, tahimik ka lang. Yun talaga.
ang favorite feature ko, ang favorite,
Gadget to.
ang favorite specs niya, ang favorite ko sa kanya is that kapag inasar mo siya ng specific na, kunyari, may sinabi ako na specific word,
Mm.
aabangan niya yung time na pwede niyang ibalik sa'yo yun.
Oh my God!
Ganon siya kalakas mga asar. Like, pag sabi ko, pwede quiet lang. No, kasi ang ingay-ingay. So sabi ko, let's not talk. Actions tayo. Puro actions tayo. Tapos the moment nagsalita lang ako ng konti, sabi niya, actions lang ate. Actions lang. So she's like that. She's finding ways to banter. Ganon. So, pero so far, it's fun naman. Kaya nga, merong Big Girls Podcast.
Yes! Welcome, guys. Namiss niyo ba
Welcome.
kami?
Oh,
If
yeah.
hindi nyo pa alam, we have first season of Big Girls Podcast available here on Spotify. But we're also
Yes.
uploading this on our other social media platforms. So,
Oo. Question number 2. What does being a big girl mean to you?
well, wow, thank you for the wonderful question. Pero for me, it's not just physical na big girls, 'di ba, for us. Pero like with big potential, with big dreams, with big future ahead,
Mm.
with big minds and big boobs. So yun, ang dami niyang ang daming pwedeng i-relate sa pagiging big girl. It's not just physically, but with big everything big. Dream big.
Okay. With big boobs comes big responsibility. Charot.
And big
Okay.
heart.
For me naman, being big is like it relates to self-love for me, because if you have everything that you need in big portions, then you have so much to share, diba? So, ganun siya for me. So, you have to love every inch of you and be overflowing with love so that you're able to share the love that you have. Ganon. So,
And parang it's much better naman to be bigger than just small, 'di ba? Parang
grabe ka
there's
naman.
so many things if it's big.
Yeah. So, being big is not just physically in size. You can have a very big personality,
Mhm.
whatever size you're in. You can be always the bigger person. Like pag
Mhm.
nagtatalo, di ba?
Big brain yung sis ko, galing. Iba ka sa podcast eh, sa personal, hindi ganyan.
Joke sa'yo. Okay, our next question. Was there a big moment you realized, oh, I'm that big girl?
Wala naman.
Ano? Wiset. Wala ko itang kapodcast to eh.
Nakalimutan ko na kasi mag-podcast actually. Kasi ilang taon ba tayo naglaylo?
Medyo matagal kami
Oo.
1 year lang naman. 1 year tayo naglaylo because, I've been caught up with work. Na.
We've
But
been busy.
now that, I quit work. Yeah. Kaya na natin to. Kaya na ba ng hair mo?
Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung big moment ko.
Wala kang big moment that you realize like, oh, I'm that big girl. I'm owning this. Okay,
Wala.
sige ako muna. Kasi baka kailangan niya ng reference para masagot niya yung questions.
Question
So,
niya yun eh.
ay, ChatGPT yun. So, for me, sa akin, that moment was when I went into content creating, and brands have started to liaise with me to be endorser or model, ganon. Like, oh my God, I'm that big girl. Kasi they're loving me for me. Hindi ko kailangan mag-diet para pumunta sa photo shoot na to. Kasi eto na to, gusto nila to, yung totoong babae, totoong buhay na babae na hindi nag-diet para dito, gano'n.
Yes.
And would you imagine, like yung mga kumukuha sa akin is like mga food, yung mga pang-fit ba? Hindi ko alam, pero pang-fit yung
Mm.
mga brand. Let's say, for example, gym, yung pang-food prep na shapewear, di ba? Parang, oh my God, it's not just because of my body. It's because of the confidence that I exude.
Yes, you're
Mm.
different in your own way.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of girls din naman na who can relate to you. So, you're
Mm.
being the bigger person here.
Wala kang aha moment that I am
Siguro
big ko na.
sometimes I I can be your big sister. Siguro yun yung aha moment ko na parang, di naman pala siya na magaling tong sis ko. Kaya ko mag-take over being the bigger sister.
Well, totoo yun. There are times that she thinks more with consideration.
Pero yun din naman, you're, ano ka
Mas
rin, nagiging,
makonsiderasyon ka sa lahat ng tao. Ako kasi, like, which is better only. Ganon. Medyo logical at that point.
ikaw naman nagiging little sister ka naman kapag
Pag na-in
sa
love.
love.
Bobo sa pag-ibig. Kakainis. I hope one day that, dati kasi akala ko na perfect ko na yung part na yan eh. Alam mo
Oo,
yan.
akala din namin eh.
Akala ko na parang, hindi ang bobo sa pag-ibig. Tangina, parang nasampal-sampal ng
Like, I remember
pag-ibig.
ate, parang nagmamadali ka na, parang at the age of 25, 26 na, or 24, ganyan, parang, anong taon na ako? Hindi pa ako mag-asawa. Gusto ko na kailangan makapag-asawa na ako. Anong edad na ako?
Sis
Ganon.
naman, nakita mo naman yung mga batch ko ngayon, may high school graduate na. Wala pa rin akong anak. Pero hindi naman ako nagmamadali. And I don't think naman na hindi ako happy without a kid. I'm still blessed, you know.
So, yun, basta at the age of 24, talagang siyang, ang hinahanap niya lagi, true love. Ganyan.
Hmm.
Nagmamadali siyang mapangasawa. So, nakapag-asawa naman siya at that age sa kanyang kahilingan. Pero hindi niya nahiling kasi kay Lord na magtagal, na hanggang forever yon. So,
So, hanggang 10 years lang siya.
but it opened a lot of doors for her. Big
Yes.
doors for her, as
Yes.
in.
Mhm. So, let's go to our next question. What do big girls bring to the table that the world is finally ready for?
I think the happiness.
Okay.
And parang ito yung the real pagiging sisters. Na okay, there are two big girls embracing their bigness. Na parang kasi parang the girls right now, they're all parang more on flexing their what do you call that, sis?
We do flex din naman.
Yeah, I mean, we're different. Kasi we're flexing our
Big.
big bodies. Parang ganun. Parang,
Okay. So, I think you're relating more on realness. 'Di ba? Parang
yeah.
itong totoong babae. Kumakain kami.
Nang
Syempre,
marami.
syempre gusto rin namin mag-diet. Gusto rin namin maging healthy. 'Di ba? Goal natin na maging healthy. But still have the big heart and the big brains. 'Di ba?
Mhm.
So, I think the world is ready for like, hindi lang dapat yung perception nila ng beauty before is just one-sided lang eh, 'di ba?
Or one size lang.
Oo, one size lang. But beauty is within every woman
In
or
every
every
shape.
person. Yes, every shape.
Yeah. And
'Di
this is us.
Yeah.
In different shape.
And next question.
Parang nagmamadali ang sisi ko. Kasi minilipad na ako later pa Pinas.
Paalis na kasi siya.
Mhm.
So anyway, have the big girls ever been underestimated and how did you flip the script? May natukso na sa'yo, taba mo. Or na-offend ka ba before ever na sabihan ka, laki mo na?
Parang hindi naman ako naasar
Kasi yung
kasi
nanay natin nagsasabi nun.
parang that's true naman. Na bago naman masabi ng ibang tao. Like, hello, wala ba akong mata and mirror? Alam ko naman na already. But, alam mo yun, parang hindi ka naman para ma-down. Kasi, alam mo na yung sa sarili mo and lagi ka naman may hope na
Pumayat!
papayatin ako. Pag ako pumayat, huyo kayo sa akin. But it never happened. But, will happen. So, if that happens, sis, Big Girls pa rin ba yung podcast natin, sis?
Feeling ko naman, because we're still big in life. Diba?
Yes.
Yun, yung big dreams natin, I hope by the time ma-achieve na natin. Diba?
Mm-mm.
So, and I think we also have big boobs, no?
So, basta yun, never naman ako na-underestimate and being mapang-asar, being inborn mapang-asar, you know? Parang naibabalik ko naman yung pang-aasar. So,
Oo
I
nga.
can defend myself through my pang-aasar. So,
Ako kasi
no biggie.
silence lang lagi ang parang kebs. I know I'm big, but I'm being paid for being big, having the big brains, having the big body. I'm being paid for everything. I'm leveraging off of
She's getting
everything.
big.
So may ROI yan. Kung ano man ng feeling ko, ano man estado ng pangatawan ko, or kung ano man ang future na itsura ko, magpa-rhino man ako and all, may ROI. So, Kems, kahit na sabihin na, okay, pag nag-comment sila ng gano'n, engagement yan. Bad publicity is still publicity, diba? Sabi nga nila. Pero, hopefully naman, parang publicity lang. Wala naman bad. Diba? Okay. Next question. What are the top 3 big girl myths that you want to bust today? Sige.
Wala naman. Yun yung pinakamadaling sagot, sis. Wala.
Ako naman, big girls are not sexy. Which is false. Wag ka. Merong mga
Marami.
Marami ang may type ng malaman. Wag ka. Then, big girls are unhealthy. Diba? Parang yun yung most common. Maybe.
Baka.
Hindi kami sure. Kailangan magpa-check up. Pero, huwag niyo naman husgahan bigla sa health. Because some, they have medical conditions. That's why hindi sila makapag-compete. Hindi lang sila
Actually, that's it.
lumalaman or whatever. Diba? Ganon. Some are like, could be medical conditions. That's why lumobo, diba? Ganon. And we're beautiful either way, no? Or big girls are desperate for love.
No.
You think so?
Hello. Kahit ganito ka big girls, ang dami kayang head over heels. Ay! Shout
How
out kay
about,
Char.
sino yun?
Shout out kayo sa'yo, sis.
Okay, wala. Okay, next. Big girls cannot dress up.
Nako, parang ano, big girls
Not so
can't be
true!
fashionable. Parang ganun siya.
Oo
But
nga, laging kailangan lang magsuot ng baggy clothes? No!
no.
Especially now with Shein. Hindi pa pala paid. Shein, baka naman. Big girls are lazy.
Hindi rin ako masyado sure dyan, sis. Because, I
May
am.
tamad moments tayo. But hindi natin pwedeng i-generalize. There are girls who are working hard, you know. And does not necessarily mean na they're big. It's that they're lazy na. It's a wrong misconception.
Mhm.
Baka ano naman. Next is, big girls settle. They don't have standards. What do you think? May standards ka
I
ba,
don't
sis?
think so, sis. Because, ang taas na nga ng, ano natin, standard natin, kaya nga di ka nga maabot, girl.
Oh,
Like,
ayoko na kasi na, I mean, kung lolokohin lang din ako one day, dun na sa
sa
ano.
quality na, girl. Bakit,
Oo, yung na-experience ko naman yung quality of life.
okay na, na-try niya na sa low quality. So, tatry naman niya ngayon sa,
ayoko
dekalidad.
nung broken, tas bubuuin ko pa. Tapos, alam mo yun, ang hirap. So, ngayon, na parang, doon na ako sa, okay na agad, yung hindi ko na
Oo.
kailangan mag-group pa together. Ayoko na
Basta, in
nun.
general, big girls are also in demand.
That's
'Di ba?
true. That's true. Yes. Okay, next question. What's one big girl struggle that turned out to be your biggest flex?
My struggle as a big girl. Alam mo kasi sabi ko nga sa'yo, girl, parang ano ako, may selective memory ako. Na kapag hindi maganda, hindi ko siya matandaan. So, hindi ako
Mm.
magaling talagang storyteller kasi hindi ko masyado natatandaan yung mga struggles ko sa buhay, sis. Siguro, hindi ko nga alam kung nag-learn ako ng mga struggles ko before eh.
Mm. Parang struggles. Big girl struggle. Kasi lahat naman tayo may struggles in life. It's not necessarily as a big girl, di ba?
Mhm.
Kasi ngayon parang now, being a big girl in this generation, in this
Wala, it's no
modern world,
biggie.
oo, parang ang dali nga eh. Because a lot of people relate more than you think.
Mhm.
Alam mo yun. And that's just being big physically. But being a bigger person per se, 'di ba? Parang everything is an
Siguro
advantage.
for me, that struggle na lang is yung pagiging shy in front of camera. But
Mm.
now,
Yung
parang
mga double chin
I'm
struggle.
accepting it now na okay na, I love myself. Okay na. Kahit makita ko ng in front of the camera na ito ako, it's okay. Kahit anong itsura mo, kahit hindi ka naka-makeup, di ka naka-contour, it's okay. Okay na siya ngayon.
Sa akin din before, pero actually, if the more you take videos of yourself, nahihiyang ka sa camera. So, sa akin, yun lang, yun, may mga angles siguro na hindi flattering, but
Mhm.
ngayon, dati, parang yun yung hadlang ko sa uploading.
Mm.
Parang, ay, hindi pa na,
Oo,
ano,
parang feeling ko, ulitin ko 'to kasi hindi pala maganda yung angle,
oo,
parang
pero
mataba
ngayon
ako
hindi
here.
siya, hindi siya. Because yun yung totoong ikaw. Ngayon naman, photos would be great because of course, nakapostura ka, pwedeng ma-touch up and all. But
Mhm.
then, videos, medyo hindi pa eh, di ba? So, unless naka-filter lang talaga all along. But, quite hard to document. Like, we've experienced in the past few days to document our daily lives.
Yes, meron kaming daily vlog. Kung hindi niyo pa napapanood, you should check out on YouTube, Brightly Abby. So yeah, nagkaroon
Yes.
siya ng daily vlog for like 10 days.
But we will try to continue it nga. 'Di ba?
Mhm.
Because we wanted this to be our accountability posts. Like, yung pag-aalaga sa self. 'Di ba? As a big girl. 'Di ba? Yon. So, next. What kind of love do big girls deserve? And what kind will we never settle for
Oh my
again?
gosh, of course, big love, obviously ba? Parang ayaw natin ng parang spare or less na kind of love.
Mm.
Dapat their love is bigger. For me, ganun.
Oo. Dapat mas
Because,
love tayo.
oo, kasi parang feeling ko, okay tayo magmahal eh.
Mm. Okay ka
Ang
ba?
kailangan ko na lang is dapat sila, mas mahal tayo. Ganon.
I feel like yun all along parang sabi ko, meron bang measure of love? Meron bang mas mahal talaga? Na-realize ko, after the 10 years of marriage, yung divorce, meron.
Meron, girl.
Akala ko talaga all along wala. Kasi,
Mm.
parang walang mas. Parang parehas lang yan. Maybe there are different kind of approaches. Parang ganun. Pero, meron palang mas. And, I think yun yung kailangan ko. Kasi ako, alam ko kung paano akong mahal. I love,
Oo. Ako alam ko
talaga,
rin kung paano ka magmahal,
oo,
sis.
bigay todo ako para kung ano.
Feeling ko, mararamdaman mo na mahal ka. O, hindi mo pa siguro naramdaman. Pero you'll know. Kasi
Mm.
ako medyo nararamdaman ko eh.
Eh? Okay. Why do we need big girl voices in podcasting and storytelling now more than ever? Bakit? Why do we speak now? I mean,
Siyempre gusto natin maka-ano, ang tawag dito, kailangan natin ma-call out. Ma-call out? Matawag at magising ang lahat ng mga big girls na nakikinig sa atin na, hello guys, it's time to wake up and set up your camera, face the world, embrace who you are. Ito na tayo, big girls. We don't have to tago.
yeah, hindi natin tinatago ang taba. May ganun diba na commercial?
Mag-less of fat.
Diba?
Ganun eh.
Tinatago ang taba.
No, hindi na,
Tinatago ang taba.
hindi na tayo nagtatago in this generation and in this period.
Yes. And I'm so proud of all the big girls that I see in social media. Lahat sila, alam mo yun. But
Mm-mm.
at the same time, hindi din naman natin
Pinopromote na maging big.
hindi naman. I mean, hindi natin minamata those who wanted to be firmer or more lean or sexier or look
Yeah, we're still
healthier.
trying,
Diba
diba?
hanggang ngayon
Kasi,
nagtatry pa rin tayo. And
mm-mm.
as we try, join us in this challenge. Meron kaming challenge na dapat 1,000 days makapag-post kami ng videos every day. Feeling ko ano na tayo noon, humpak. Charot.
Baka kasi may ano na, AI na nun, sis. Kaya humpak na to.
Tapos ano na, hiwalay na to. Kasi payat na. Okay. The last question. What's your boldest big girl dream for this season of the podcast?
Oh my gosh! Eto sinasabi ko to sa every podcast na meron ako. Which is isa lang naman, aside from this, is yung ma-manifest natin yung big earnings
Wow.
and yung big collaboration, big network na, ayan, gusto ko nga actually si Bretman Rock, gano'n. Parang kahit na mina-manifest ko yan, na magkaroon tayo ng
Sana
mga big
kamag-anak natin
projects.
siya.
Hindi tayo Ilocano, sis. So, ayun, that's my big dream and hope for this podcast. And of course, sustainability for this podcast. Sana masustain natin to at the end of the
With the
season.
distance, no? So, anyway, aside from this, we will do daily uploading of our vlogs then. Aside from the podcast. The podcast will be once a week, no? And then, the daily vlogs for 1,000 days. Dadaigin natin si Nas Daily.
Oh my
And
gosh!
it's more than 10 minutes, diba? So, medyo mahirap siya. So,
No, 1
combined
minute
yung
lang yung kanya.
kaya nga sa atin,
Okay,
it's
okay.
more than 10 minutes. So, combined dapat yung ating 4. So, this is a challenge for ourselves na sabi namin, everyday dapat may post. So, gagawin namin to.
Actually, we have a big dream right now kasi nga, yung recent na nag-trip tayo, para kaming feeling namin vloggers lang yung ano namin.
Because it was a sponsored trip.
Mhm.
So, this sponsored trip is sponsored by a brand, and then all that we're doing is just taking videos and photos and nag-aasaran lang. And then we will have like an hour for the day or 2 to 3 hours within the day, tapos magkokolate, mag-iisip kung paano namin ipipost and ito. Tapos parang sabi ko, sis, imagine this is our life. Kaya natin, no? Kaya natin talaga. Na parang, oh my God, yung gawa lang tayo ng ano, tapos merong tamad moments, and yung tamad moments is yung nag-iisip ka, nag-upload ka, nag-edit ka. Diba? Parang, oh my God, kaya natin maging content creator full time. Diba? Parang, oh my God.
Parang getting paid on a trip. Tapos, yun lang. You're just promoting it. And you're being real. And you're
Diba?
just showing it to the world.
Yes.
Parang, that's kind of our
One more
one of our
dream
big dreams.
for the Big Girls podcast. I wanted this to be like a movement for all the big girls, big girls who think big and
Mm.
big girls who feel big. Alam mo yon? I wanted this to be like a
I like
safe space,
that. Think big
safe
with big
space
girls.
to talk, 'di ba? 'Di ba? I wanted it to be like a movement and one day mag-get together, magkita-kita.
Positive, ano, parang body positivity.
Yes,
I
everything we
love
can
that,
talk under the sun naman,
sis.
'di ba? Okay. So, ayan ang aming
Join us on our
intro.
movement. Charot.
Yes. Okay, do you want to plug your other socials, sis? Your other podcast?
I have Otapos, podcast on Spotify with my other girls. Like, pero parang sisters ko na rin naman sila. So,
Hmm.
we're just talking about learning in life in general.
Well, for me, I do have my personal brand, Brightly Abby. You can follow me on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and YouTube, diba? So I'm all over. So I'm a sexologist in training and I'm a pleasure advocate. So yeah, if I can help you guys with questions, let me know. Thank you. Bye,
Goodbye,
Biggies.
Biggie.